Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will share 10 powerful ways to use Nano Banana for marketing in 2025. Now, this tool may look small, but its impact on the content, branding, and campaigns is huge. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, the micro influencer collabs can be done with the help of Nano Banana. So Nano Banana works best when it is paired with the small but loyal influencer audiences. You can turn it into a fun visual or prompt to create a short shareable clips. You can shape it into the campaign symbol before remember quickly visuals. You can send Nano Banana inspired merch in the contests to boost the engagement. You can also add playful Nano Banana references in subject lines for higher rates. You can use it at booths as a conversation starter that people can't ignore. You can also run challenges where collecting bananas equals points or discounts. It can be used as the imaginary across socials for consistency. It can be used to encourage the customers to share creative Nano Banana photos with hashtags. Tie Nano Banana to holidays or any trending events to stay relevant year round. So these were some of the powerful Nano Banana users for marketing in 2025, from TikTok hooks to trade shows and seasonal campaigns. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure that you like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.